After I discovered this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. It is very simple, and you will have the house smelling good for many days. To start today's tip, in a container I will add coarse salt, enough until almost complete the container. Just like I'm doing here. After I learned this, I improved every room in my house. After adding the optimal amount of coarse salt, I will now also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. And now let's mix, remembering that alcohol is responsible for exhaling the smell throughout the environment and also helps scare away insects. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Harriet McCulloch from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After mixing well, I will now add the fabric softener. It is the main item of our tip, fully responsible for the smell of cleaning. The ideal is to put fabric softener to cover the coarse salt. Also can use the smell of fabric softener of your choice, or even a different smell for each environment of your home. This advice will surely be very useful, and for at least 30 days you will have the house smelling good, and with a simple tip to do, in addition to having a low cost. Even for those who have dogs inside the house, the smell totally neutralizes the smell of urine from animals. You will thank me. To finish today's tip, I will add some cloves, are also very responsible for exhaling the smell around your home. Just putting some carnations in some environment of your home, you already notice the difference in the full environment. Already in this tip, they will help in improving the smell. I am sure you will be surprised by the result of this mixture, and every visit to your home will ask you what the secret to having the house fully fragrant is. This advice, I use myself, in the kitchen, in the living room, especially in the bathroom, and it is also possible to use in your room, always bringing the smell of clean clothes. Even after cleaning my house, I still keep this tip, further extending the smell of cleanliness. Tell me if you've done any cleaning tips using cloves, they always come in handy in several tips. Thank you for watching this tip so far, see you in the next video. Bye. After discovering this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. This tip is very simple, and with few ingredients you will be impressed by the smell that your home will get. To start today's tip, in a container, we will add coarse salt. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mariam Abiar from Tehran. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. We just spread it all over the container, like this. Now we will use 2 tablespoons of alcohol, being the second item for this tip and responsible for exhaling the aromas used in this mixture. Once added, we will mix well. I'm sure this quick and easy tip will make your day-to-day easier. The main item of this mixture, and which will bring the smell that your home needs, is disinfectant. I will use only a small amount, which is equivalent to 50 milliliters, and we will mix well. If necessary, you can even increase the amount of disinfectant. If you prefer, this tip also works perfectly, also using fabric softener. Whenever we add, we will mix again. The last item I will use in this tip will be the cloves. In addition to bringing a great aroma, they help spread the smell of disinfectant and also prevent the entry of insects in your house. I am sure that these items used together will be the solution to keep your home always clean and fragrant. Do not worry about the amount of any of the ingredients we will use. The duration of this product is up to a month, which will make it worth every amount. This tip works so well that whenever I receive visitors, my visitors ask me what the secret is, because I have this mixture scattered throughout the house. I use it mainly in the bathroom, thus avoiding bad smell. If you prefer, you can even use different disinfectant smells for different rooms in your home. By the use of coarse salt, all disinfectant and alcohol will remain active all the time in this tip. Even in the bathroom after use and keeping this tip active, I no longer suffered from bad smell, and even in other rooms after cleaning also keep this tip always ready. For sure all visits will notice the great aroma all the time in your home. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.